So this is not your average umbrella. It looks like it is kind of, but you do have the hook at the end. You have your umbrella and the point at the top. But this one is great because, well, you unravel it and you lift it up just like that. And now you can actually cover yourself. It doesn't click at the top, which is fine. It actually just uses that spring and goes all the way up. And so now you have a dome, basically a bubble covering you, and you can still see out of it. So if it's raining and you're walking, you don't want to get your hair wet, you don't want to get anything wet, you can just drop it down as far as you need to go. And even has room for someone else. So it's kind of fun. You can be walking, you can be looking, and it's a great quality. It looks really cool. And I love the idea of being able to see where you're going and just cover yourself up like that. Just folds down nice and compact. The handle is also just really good quality. I love that you can kind of see through it. It's all like the same kind of similar design. Looks really stylish and keeps you dry. So highly recommend this for anyone that wants an umbrella because it's just the coolest. And thanks for watching.